Most of us know in the industry that Sennheiser has a tremendous reputation amongst audiophiles, but when it comes to true wireless earbuds, they're a newcomer in the space. And that's exactly why we're kind of curious about their first offering with the Momentum True Wireless, which are sporting a price tag of $300. Don't be fooled by their looks because they're rather deceptive in the way that they appear larger in size than most other offerings, but they're surprisingly lightweight and they're not bulky at all. They have a minimalist design that kind of reminds us of the B&O Beoplay E8 and also the Braggy Dash Pro that we checked out earlier in the year, just because what you have here are just those Sennheiser logos on these metal plates, and that's about it. It's pretty minimalist as they come, but like as I mentioned, they're significantly lightweight. After wearing them at the gym, we're a bit surprised by how snug they fit in our ear. They manage to stay in place even for a long period of time without feeling too loose. It's also nice that they're IPX4 rated, so they're protected against water splashes and sweat. So there's no worry if you're working out at the gym and building up a good sweat, they're going to be protected. Now, as for the battery case that comes included with them, it's your standard fan fit that features a magnetic connection and also actively charges them. However, it doesn't offer some of the extra utility that we find in other models. In our short time checking them out, we're most impressed and astounded by the audio performance. Not only is the audio quality clean and detailed, there's a complementary level of bass that supports the output. It's not overpowering, which is nice, but it's even better that there's an equalizer option that can adjust its tone to your particular liking using the Sennheiser Smart Control app. Furthermore, there's also a transparent hearing mode that amplifies the ambient noise, so you're always aware of your surroundings. If there's one minor complaint we have about them, it's that the touch-sensitive metallic plates on each earbud don't register gestures. They do register taps, so if you're going to do things like pause play, track forward or reverse, you either do a single tap, double, or triple tap. You can adjust the volume, but we wish it was done using gestures, because in order to do that, you do long presses instead. It'd been just a lot more intuitive if you did like a swiping gesture. And finally, we can't overlook the $300 cost. They are expensive, but then again, they're accompanied with pretty good audio performance. You have also no latency issues when it comes to watching video, and the connectivity is solid. We didn't have any drop connections in a short time checking it out, but they're still pricey. And that is it for a quick hands-on look here with the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless. If you guys want to learn more about them, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John B, signing off.